Get ready for the greatest shape of your life.
The future is closer than you think, and what's coming next could change everything. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the powerful updates from Victory with Ash. A powerful message from Ash. We are moving with purpose, with vision, with complete strategic focus. Every step we're taking is connected to one core mission, building something truly meaningful for people around the world. And once everything is perfectly aligned, we will unlock the full power of Victory with Ash and launch it on a level people have never seen before. Not slowly, not quietly, but with impact. Because this is more than just another project. This is a movement built to create real change around the world. And the best part? The success is already written. It's a done deal. What we are building is designed to give people something the world has been missing for a very long time. Clear direction, peace of mind, real opportunity, simplicity in everyday life, a sense of identity, hope for the future, momentum to move forward, dignity and empowerment, freedom through ease and connection, true transformation. Imagine having everything connected in one powerful ecosystem, one platform, one app, one login, one subscription, one place where everything works together seamlessly. Simple, smart, connected. This is not just about technology. It's about creating a future where people feel supported, empowered, and ready to win again. The possibilities for this project are enormous. And honestly, I have never felt this level of excitement and confidence in my life. I've never seen a vision this strong, a dream this clear, or a future that feels this close to becoming reality. For years, people have been surrounded by uncertainty, stress, and endless noise. But now, the time has come for something different. Something bigger, something capable of changing lives around the world. And this is only the beginning.
Get ready for the greatest shape of your life.